Good morning, students. Today we discuss about the nitrogen cycle and the points including your nitrogen cycle. Well, it is a series. It is a series of a natural process by which the nitrogen enters into the organisms from air through the soil and back to the environment. अब nitrogen, why the necessary? Nitrogen is necessary for the plant use as a photosynthetic process for making their food with the help of nitrogen. The sugar make the proteins with the help of nitrogen. The plant, they are taking the respiration process with the help of nitrogen and it is a reversible process and it is a natural process. Okay, so the plant require nitrogen to make their food, to make the photosynthesis process, and the main point is that the nitrogen is in non-reactive form. It is in non-reactive form, so it's not absorbed directly. So we need to make them nitrogenous compounds. उसको हमको नाइट्रोजनस कंपाउंड बनाना पड़ता है, नाइट्रेट आयंस बनाना पड़ता है, बिकॉज नाइट्रोजन इज नॉन रिएक्टिव, इट्स डायरेक्टली नॉट एब्सॉर्ब. वेल, इट इज अ लिमिटिंग न्यूट्रिएंट्स इन द एग्रीकल्चर इकोसिस्टम्स, लिमिटेड है, सो इट एग्जिस्ट एज अ कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड इन बिटवीन योर, दिस इज योर कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड ऑफ नाइट्रोजन्स. वेल, a regular supply of nitrogen to the plant is maintained by through the biological and the physiological process, that is the biological nitrogen fixations and physiological nitrogen fixations. So in your books the physical process is avoided, but let me consider a point. What happened? The atmosphere, in the atmosphere is the source of nitrogen. Atmosphere, like your air, you can say water, sorry, not water, air, soil. So it cannot be used directly. So the nitrogen is combined with your carbon, your hydrogen and your oxygen. Directly वो नहीं हो सकता है, so that we are combining with carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So when the conversion of free nitrogen into the nitrogenous salt or nitrogenous bond, this process is known as physical नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन. ओके, नाइट्रोजन अकेला नहीं हो रहा है, बट कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन इनके साथ कंबाइन होके वो उसका फ्री कन्वर्शन कर रहा है, सो दैट द प्लांट मे बी सिंथेसाइज देयर फूड एंड देयर डेली रिक्वायरमेंट्स. सो द एटमॉस्फेयर इनटू नाइट्रोजनस सॉल्ट टू मेक अवेलेबल फॉर द प्लांट. अब इसका नाइट्रोजनस कंपाउंड जब बनेगा इसके साथ, मतलब अगर ये O2 हो गया तो ये N हो गया, नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड, सिंपल लाइक दैट. सो देयर इज अ वी कैन से अ कॉम्बिनेशन विद ऑक्सीजन. सो व्हाट, दिस इज योर so this is your nitrogen, this is your oxygen, so you got nitric oxide. as I told you उसको कॉम्बिनेशन चाहिए, कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन. तो यहाँ पे क्या एग्जांपल दिया मैंने, ऑक्सीजन का. नाइट्रोजन ऑक्सीजन के साथ कंबाइन होकर नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड बना रहा है, so that it's get easily available to the plant. And these are several process by which the oxygen get combines with the nitrogen and the nitrogen, various molecules of nitrogen. So here all the process are including with the oxygens. So this is your physical. Now biological nitrogen fixations. So what happened in that? Well, it mainly carried out in prokaryotes. The physical biological nitrogens mainly carried out in prokaryotes. So we call it the nitrogen fixer. We call it the nitrogen fixer, and about 70% of total nitrogen fixer are occur naturally. बायोलॉजी का मीनिंग क्या है? लाइव. सो इट्स 70% of biological nitrogen process happen naturally or livingly, and the nitrogen fixers are either non-living. Sorry, it's free living. Sorry. So the cyanobacteria fix a certain amount. Which are cyanobacteria? They fix certain amount for the nitrogen, and we call it a heterocyst. What we call it the heterocyst. एक certain amount रहता है नाइट्रोजन के लिए, क्वांटिटी के लिए, उसको हम बोलते हैं हेटेरोसिस्ट. So the nitrogen fixation is require high energy and about 16 molecules to do the energy in a correct manner. Let me tell you the example. How many amount? 16 molecules. 16 molecule लगते हैं. Now here is our reactions. Let me explain you. This is nitrogen, your 8 hydrogen plus your 8 negative plus 16 ATP. टोटल रिएक्शन आती है, उसको बैलेंस करना पड़ेगा डायग्राम. ओके, दिस इज योर 2NH3 मींस आपका अमोनिया हो गया, सेकंड ईयर H2 हाइड्रोजन हो गया, 16 ADP and so ammonia is then converted into amino acids. So reaction is your N2 plus 8H plus 8E plus 16 ATP. ऐसा थोड़ी 16 ATP उसको लगते हैं, उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट है 16 ATP की. तो बैलेंस कैसा हो जाए? 2NH3 plus H2 plus 6 ATP and 6PI. So the ammonia is then converted into amino acids. So last but not least, your nitrifications. Your nitrifications. What about that? Well, most of the soil bacteria participate in converting the ammonia into nitrate. जो soil में बैक्टीरिया है वो क्या कर रहे हैं? अमोनिया का नाइट्रेट में कन्वर्शन कर रहे हैं in the form of nitrate, the form of nitrogen which can be used by plants. So there is two bacteria. First, a soil bacteria convert ammonia into nitric oxide. पहले क्या कर रहा है? अमोनिया का क्या कर रहा है? अमोनिया का नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड में कन्वर्शन कर रहा है. पहला बैक्टीरिया जो है, जो सॉइल में है, the soil bacteria which are help in conversion of nitric ammonia into nitric oxide. Your second bacteria, what does it? Second bacteria does it. The anaerobic soil bacterium called Nitrobacter. उसको क्या कहेंगे हम? Nitrobacter. Add a third oxygen atoms to create nitrate. Reaction is 2HNO2 plus O2. Where is it? 2HNO2 plus O2 got 2HNO3. These bacteria are chemoautotrophs. By metabolizing the nitrogen along with the oxygens. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? ऑक्सीजन के साथ बन रहा है नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड. By metabolizing nitrogen along with the oxygen, they obtain energy to power their own life process. Last is your symbiotic N2 fixation. Symbiotic N2 fixations. The best known nitrogen fixing symbiotic bacterium is Rhizobium, the soil living dwelling bacterium from root nodules in plant belonging to family Fabaceae. इसमें क्या हो रहा है? एक बैक्टीरिया है राइजोबियम, वो सॉइल से आइसोलेट होके एक मतलब रूट में उसका खुद का एक नाइट्रोजन सोर्स बना रहा है. उसकी फैमिली है Fabaceae. एग्जांपल इज बीन्स, ग्रास, बीन्स, gram and groundnut. Groundnut. The best known nitrogen fixing symbiotic bacterium is rhizobium. Rhizobium जो है बहुत बेस्ट सोर्स है नाइट्रोजन के लिए. So today we discuss about the nitrogen cycles and here stop it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.